Hey YouTube, this is another edition of Broken Big Boy Toys. This is going to be round 2 of carbon fiber chain guard for the Ducati 996. The last time the company made it, they made it wrong and it wasn't fitting, so they finally got new ones back in. So hopefully this time it'll fit. So let's give it a shot. Okay, on the last one, this bolt here was out too far and was the reason why it wasn't fitting. So it looks like this one's different. It looks like it's pretty much where it needs to be. So hopefully this one will fit. It's a couple little bolts and we'll see. So I've bought tons of parts from these people, and I'm gonna be honest with you, this part just doesn't, this is not one of their top quality parts. There's resin in the bolt threads, which made it impossible to bolt in the bolts for the top of the brake line. I had to come in from the bottom and keep kind of almost like tapping it out with the screw. I finally got it now, so hopefully I get this thing on. Okay, so I got the part on. It looks good. This one here is not supposed to have a nut cert on it. It's supposed to just be an open hole. They put a nut cert on it, which actually brings it out just a hair. To me, it's not worth grinding it down to bring it in a little bit more, but it really should be ground. It shouldn't have a nut cert, a thread. It doesn't need a thread because it threads into the bike. But whatever. It's just the way they do it, I guess. It looks pretty good. I'm glad. Kind of ties the rest of the bike in with all the rest of the carbon fiber. So it just makes it look like it's supposed to be all carbon fiber. So I'm happy with it. So thanks again for watching another edition of Broken Big Boy Toys. Like and subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up. So the shit didn't fit the first time, fit the second time. Almost 2.5 months or 3 months to get a new part in. So there we go.